Greetings, my name is Abogologodo and our group assignment is based on theme 2, which is based on principles of inclusive education. Inclusive education based on the picture includes the processes of ensuring the participation of all learners in the classroom and reducing their exclusion from cultures, curricula, and communities. It ensures that every learner, regardless of their backgrounds or needs, has equal access to learning opportunities. It is about valuing and celebrating diversity. The first principle is diversity in the classroom. Every learner is unique and every group of learners is different. The scene captures the classroom where diversity is celebrated and valued. A teacher is sitting at the table with learners from different racial and ethnic backgrounds, which shows multiculturalism. Notably, one of the learners is in a wheelchair, which shows the classroom accessibility and commitment to inclusive education. This scene highlights a sense of belonging, respect, and equal opportunity for all the learners regardless of their backgrounds. To create a supportive learning environment in this principle, where every learner feels safe and valued, is by enforcing clear policy against bullying and discrimination, which promote a positive, respectful atmosphere where diversity is celebrated, ensuring that the classroom layout is accessible for learners that are using wheelchairs for them to easily move around, and also the inclusive activities should accommodate every learner regardless of their disability, and also ensuring that all learners have equal participation in the classroom. The second principle is incorporating ethnic and cultural diversity in the classroom, where it acknowledges and respects differences in learners, whether due to age, gender, ethnicity, language, class, disability, or HIV status. In this picture, ethnic and cultural diversity are presented in the classroom. The classroom has learners from different backgrounds, different ethnicity, traditional clothing, African artifacts, and drum, all engaging in a collaborative activity regardless of their background. And a teacher is facilitating their inclusive and to create a supportive learning environment in this principle is by introducing culturally responsive teaching to celebrate the difference in ethnicity and language, by including ethnic and cultural content in the curriculum, and also using culture encoding communication in the classroom, allowing learners to share their experiences about their culture in the classroom. This can be done by including lessons that will teach learners about different cultures and activities that will teach learners about the world and the continent, and also creating activities where learners share the content in their home language. It is also very important to encourage sharing and receiving of different cultural information. The third principle is collaborative learning. In this classroom, learners are working together in pairs or small groups. Each learner helps the other learner to learn. One learner says, "Let me help," and another replies, "We can do this together." By working as a group, it makes learning fun. Everyone has something to share. To create a supportive learning environment in this principle is by grouping learners with different abilities, background, and interests for them to learn from each other's perspectives, and also giving certain roles to each group member to ensure that everyone participates in the discussions, and also acting as a facilitator to guide group activities and provide support that is needed, creating a classroom culture that values cooperation, respect, and inclusivity. It is also very important. The last principle is the strength-based curriculum. The picture depicts a classroom of learners with diverse strengths and learning styles. Some learners are working in pairs, some are using digital tools for learning, and some are working individually. To create a supportive learning environment in this principle is by developing the learners' different strengths and allowing them to participate critically while learning by using both formal and informal assessment, observations, and feedback to know and understand their different strengths, interests, and learning styles, and also creating learning activities based on those strengths and their learning style to promote active participation and a successful learning process for all of them. I will also incorporate both the high and low technology to accommodate all learners. I will also encourage collaboration in peer learning for learners to learn from each other's strengths.